Eric, thank you. The wind gusts down power lines and trees across the Triad. Thousands sit in the dark tonight. WFOY News 2's Hannah Jeffries spoke with utility workers rushing to get the lights back on.
What's supposed to be the most wonderful time of the year is now the coldest time of the year. Those strong winds making those conditions even worse, putting thousands across the Triad without power, and those winds even knocking down or cutting in half, snapping in half this power pole, coming at the worst possible time right ahead of the holiday weekend. Wires were the only thing holding the top part of the power pole on Battleground Avenue. Trees blocked some roadways and caused outside items like trash cans to fall over. Winds moved power lines and brought some cables to the ground. Jeff Brooks, the spokesperson for Duke Energy, says crews are trying to get power restored ahead of the Christmas weekend.
When we think about what this week means and what this weekend means for so many people, this is a sacred and important time. So we take that very seriously. Obviously, our crews had plans over the holidays too. We've put those on hold because our first job is to serve our customers, and we've got all hands on deck working to get the power back up as safely and quickly as we can.
And Brooks says, as he said in that sound really quick right there, that he is trying and crews are trying their hardest to get those power restored to thousands of people across the Triad. But here's the thing, when wind gusts reach 30 miles per hour or higher, they can't lift the buckets up to make those repairs. So that's why restoration times have become a little bit slower throughout the day. But he assures customers that they are working as soon and as quick as they can to get power restored.